Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you're new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it does help get the channel out there. Over the weekend, I was driving the G around a little bit and I was hearing some weird like rattling noise, and I already knew it was coming from the test pipes because when I first installed them, they were already making some kind of noise, and I assumed like that's what, you know, they sounded like. Now it's just kind of gotten a little bit more louder than usual. The noise started on the passenger side and then it now traveled to the driver's side. I'm not trying to lose a test pipe, so I'm gonna go inspect that today. That's what we're gonna be doing today. By the way, we got this Christmas tree, right? And I don't know, we wanted to do black just because we've never had a black tree before, and these cats fucked up the tree. I've tried to fix it over and over and over, but I've just like given up at this point. You crackhead. I swear, we could literally never have nice thing. Dude, and it's hella cold. I just went out there. I am not going to enjoy this at all. Two jack stands. It's cold. Damn, dude, that shit's like right fucking there. So because of the way I parked, I think I'm gonna have to, I don't want to turn the car on because I'm gonna get under it and be touching the test pipes, and I don't want to burn myself. The other side is perfectly fine. More than enough room. Yeah. Fuck, it is cold. Oh my god. So I just switched to the passenger side since there's more room, and I probably, if I can finesse it and just stick with just raising the car on this side, then great. Dude, the thing that sucks now about trying to jack up the car is because I have the LEDs now really close to the, like on the side skirt, bruh. I have to be careful because I don't want to damage the strip. Dude, this shit was like taking me forever to freaking try to put on the jack stand and find like that perfect spot, but now that we've got it. So I know it's like kind of bad lighting, but just from looking over here, like I don't see anything or feel anything that could possibly be loose. I'm gonna open the hood and maybe check from the top, because I do know that we for sure like tightened the hell out of these bolts and the test pipes on here are really good. So I'm gonna check the top. Oh my god, I almost hit the door. The fucking jack, boom. The jack stand. Okay. Damn, the car's like so freaking dirty. Damn, why am I struggling? Okay, wow, so I'm recording with my little cheese head just because the camera wasn't picking up the actual test pipe. You couldn't see it. But, so there it is. It is hella far from my reach. And if you guys don't remember, in my last video we had to, well, in the video that we were installing the test pipes, we actually had to use like hella extensions to reach these. And I'm gonna try and I guess use my fingers to see if maybe any of the bolts are loose, because a lot of the noise is coming from the driver's side, but I also do want to check the passenger side because I always do hear a little rattle, but nothing crazy compared to the driver's side. So I am gonna see if maybe that's the issue. That's the only thing I could possibly think of, because everything from underneath looks fine. Okay. I hate this part. This shit's really scary. Oh, turn! There we go. No longer monster chucking. Oh. Dude, fuck. When I tell y'all it is so fucking cold. Don't really know what the hell's going on with that rattling noise. After checking the passenger side, those things are freaking bolted on. And then I checked the other side, but I didn't film it, unfortunately, because I didn't have that much room, because I remember I only jacked up one side because fucked up with how I was parked. I want to show you guys and drive around and possibly maybe if I can get the noise on camera. I don't know, I was just more worried about maybe one of the bolts being hella loose. By the way, we got a new kitten. His name is Ash. Bitch, what?
The next day.
All right, y'all, next day. It is cold and I do not want to be out. You know, me shaking the test pipes yesterday, checking the bolts. I don't think there's an issue, but I'm gonna drive around, see if the noise continues. Dumb daddy. Bluetooth connect. Bluetooth disconnect. Look at my lights, they're so pretty. I probably shouldn't have those lights on considering the whole battery thing that I had, but I think it'll be fine. For the video, let's leave it on because you guys hardly get to see my headliner. By the way, we are so close to being monetized on YouTube, and if you don't know what that means that I can start making money off YouTube. I've been making money off my other social media platforms, but I'm gonna need to be monetized on here because that's where I feel like I'm gonna be making a lot of my money. So if you guys could do me a favor and watch my other videos, that'll be great. If not, super, that's fine too. Smoke. I'm pretty sure that's fine or normal. Okay, so car has warmed up. Now I'm driving around and I don't hear the noise. Okay, hold on, let me get off this hill. Fuck. I don't hear it. What if my car is doing that thing where because I'm driving and filming it, it's not gonna do it? Sorry, I'm trying to shift with one hand while recording with the other. I don't hear it, so... Oh, wait. No, never mind. Alright, y'all, we are back. Yeah, we're probably just gonna have to just see, but I don't think there's nothing wrong with the test pipes. I don't know. If you guys have experienced this, let me know in the comments and what you did to fix it. Just in case I do have to go back and look at it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But I will see you guys in the next one.